So a lot of women just don't know how to navigate menopause and the symptoms that come along with it. Hot flashes, night sweats, trouble sleeping, irritability, all kinds of symptoms that women may experience. Hormone therapy is used to manage a lot of these symptoms. For the average healthy woman, hormone therapy is a really good and safe option, but it's not for everybody. A patch that you wear on the skin, almost like a Band-Aid that goes in the lower growing or over the buttocks. We have gels that you can rub into the inner thigh. We have sprays that can be sprayed on the forearm. We also have some oral options. So with all the options available, typically we're able to find a really good option that meets the average woman's needs. A lot of the times we're able to completely resolve hot flashes, but if we're not able to completely resolve them, we hope to at least get significant relief and help a woman restore her quality of life. So for the average healthy woman, these options are very safe, but if there are any concerns about these risk factors, it's best to consult your physician or your women's health specialist.